In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background of your Trello board. Changing your Trello board background can infuse new energy into your workflow and help personalize your space to make it truly yours. Whether it's a vibrant color, a calming image, or a custom photo that holds special meaning, customizing your Trello background can enhance your experience significantly. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and only takes a few moments of your time. First, you'll need to navigate to your Trello board. Once you're on your board, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a three dots icon. This is your menu access point, so go ahead and click on it. By doing so, a drop-down menu will appear with various options for customizing your board. Next, in the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Change Background. Click on it, and you'll be led to a world of choices for your board's appearance. Trello offers a wide array of colors and images that you can select from, designed to suit various moods and preferences. Perhaps you're in the mood for something calming, like a soft blue, or maybe you want your board to pop with a dynamic red. Take your time and browse through the options available. If the existing selections don't quite fit what you're envisioning, don't worry. Trello also offers the option to upload your own images to use as a background. Look for the Custom button, which allows you to add any image you desire. This could be anything from a company logo to a personal photo that inspires you daily. It's a fantastic option to really personalize your workspace and make it more relatable and unique to you. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully learned how to change your Trello board background. This seemingly simple change can make working with Trello more engaging and personal. Feel free to experiment with different backgrounds whenever you feel like refreshing the look and feel of your board. Remember, the visual aspect of your workspace can have a big impact on your productivity and mood, so don't hesitate to spend some time curating it to your liking. Thank you for watching, and I hope your Trello experience is now much more colorful and tailored to your preferences.